guys, welcome back to our channel Rajesh Creations, and I Simhadri Verma is here to explain how to get cashback and money from Amazon.com. Okay, many people are using Amazon for buying purposes, for buying furniture, home tools, anything and everywhere. But you can also make money through Amazon through these options. Okay, just if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel, and if you are have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. I will be ready with any doubts. I am ready for that. Just get into the topic. Okay, when you go to the Amazon, you see interface like this. Okay, you see many of the deals here. Amazon Pay, send money, scan, pay bills. Here you can see many options, and if you can search for anything, you'll get it, right? Okay, here hoodies for men, you can see that you can get many hoodies. Okay, now how to get money through this Amazon.com. Okay, just do one thing. Have you created your Amazon link? Or if you're not, just create your Amazon app link. It's nothing but creation means just log into your Amazon account, click on here Amazon Pay. You'll open like an interface like this. Here you can see many options like this. You can add balance, mobile recharge, retail recharge. Other than Paytm, PhonePe and Google Pay, you can also use this app to do payments many ways. Okay, here you can pay bills through electricity, most mobile postpaid, credit card bill, gas cylinder, car insurance, and many more. And you can book tickets too: flights ticket, bus tickets, train tickets, movies tickets, and many more. And coming to the point, how to earn money. See here, offers to get you started with this month. Recharge or bill, get 100 rupees back. Just click on that. Here, see the steps. Make a recharge or bill payment between Jan to February, minimum value of rupees 1. You are using many mobiles and you need a recharge, right? If you recharge through this app, you can get up to 20 rupees cashback. If you recharge just rupees 1, means if you want to top up your sorry, if you want to top up your Geo number, just it's a research of 10 rupees, right? You can 10 for your 10 rupees, you can get up to 20 rupees cashback, right? Okay, this is one of the Amazon option. And see here, Swiggy, get flat 20 rupees. Many people living in the cities want to order food through Zomato or Swiggy or many apps, right? Here we have an offer for Swiggy. Just here click on Swiggy, just follow the steps below the redeem to award. Once the reward is collected, make a payment on Swiggy. Okay, if you want to order a product between 150 rupees or something, if it's above 99 rupees, you can collect this offer. For you, just you pay 100 rupees, you'll get up to 25 rupees cashback, right? You can get many more like this. Okay, view all. Let's see another one. Here look, yes, you want a chicken. Okay, if in cities living in people living in cities or mostly know about this app, because what it is means, we can order chicken, then it will be door delivery. You will get up to 25 rupees cashback here. Okay, Domino's, and who are pizza lovers, I am also a pizza lover. So just who are pizza lovers, once the reward is collected, make a payment to Domino's pizza between 13 Jan to this. It's contain a restriction that this time to this time. If it started from 1 month, then after 1 month it will be not valid. So you can do payment in between this offer period only. Okay, these are the rewards you can collect through, and you can earn many cashback, right? Here you can see recharge and bill payments. You can see you can add many here. Recharge or bill, see here, I said first said what, recharge bill, just up top up of 10 rupees, you will get 20 rupees cashback. It's the best option. And see here, you'll also electricity bill, you'll pay electricity bill through your phone pay or going by a post office or Google Pay and Paytm, many more, right? Just pay through this Amazon app. You will get that minimum flat 15 rupees, 50 rupees cashback. Up to only for 300 rupees, you are getting already 50 rupees back. It's very good option from Amazon. Okay, here credit card, many people are using credit card, right? Credit card bill, if you pay through credit card will be more than 1000 or 1000. You can just pay through this. If minimum order is about 300 rupees, if you pay through this 300, and you'll get up to 50 rupees cashback. Okay, using Amazon Pay UPI. So many of the people buy recharge codes from Google Pay, Google Play Store app. If you buy up to 200 rupees, get 5% cashback. It means 10% means it's about 20 rupees, and if 5%, it become to 10 rupees cashback. Not only if you pay through another app, you'll not get this much discount also, but I am saying to pay through Amazon, then you'll get more discount like this. Okay, not only on this, here spin and win, you can spin many. Unlock rewarding, I said. See here, it's asking that to spin and win. So, net is loading. Okay, here click on spin, just wait for the option. Okay, you can see flat 55 rupees send money. it's just click on claim on your price. Okay, here, well done, answer is correct, you just appear from free files, just answer a simple question. Okay, I'll say a trick here. If you don't know that, can you recharge your prepaid mobile? Yes, it's simple, simple question. Can you recharge your prepaid mobile on Amazon Pay? Yes, I can recharge. Anyone can recharge your Amazon mobile. You can, your money got rewarded. Okay, here you can, if you send collect now, click on collect now, just click on pay now. Okay, see here, mobile recharge on up to offer the gas cylinder. You can book your gas cylinder through this app also. You can get up to 20 rupees cashback. If you do with another app, you will not get at least this 5 rupees, 10 rupees. It's important. If 20 rupees we get, just for top up we can get 1000 MB recharge of a Jio. See, like that. So I recommend, strongly recommend you to suggest Amazon Pay for using many bills and money payments. Right, today is my video is completed. If you like my video, just please like my video and share to your friends, it will be very useful. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for loving me, love you all, thank you all, bye. I'll be back with my next video.